Hey guys, here is part 2 on how to make your own McDonald's toy. So where we left off, we had filled the shelves with stuff and finished the kitchen. So next we're going to be putting out a sign outside. We can have it. This is from the first. Okay, it's this baked daily. So because you can see all the bread in the window. Perfect. All right. Next, we're going to be putting the tables because we need to find out where we're going to put the register table and all the table is. So I'm just going to place a few tables. Those for my McDonald's. So here's one. Just print. And there is our tables. Next, we'll just put the register table down. I'll just scoot the table over there. And now we're just going to put some sauces. I have this little jam container symbol with these I'm going to be using for sauce, and I'll be right back once I put them down. Alright, so I put it down. Next, we're going to be putting down a toy register for the cash, and I have this little cash register from Lego Duplo, and I chose it because it has like these good pens, and a little printed receipt, and a little pen, and I thought it would be really good. But you don't have to put down what I have. You can just like find any toy register and put it down. And now we're just I have these little containers. So I have this container for chicken nuggets and 2 containers for the fries. I'm just going to put them, and you can just put them down anywhere. I'm just going to put them on the high chair just for now. And then I have 2 little McDonald's uniforms, and I'm going to make another video on how to make your own McDonald's uniform and hat. But here are the little hats. Just come out, just color in a red marker and put the yellow M, and then just put tape on so you can tape them to whoever's working on their head. So we'll just pick up that jam. And there's our McDonald's, but I think we need someone to run the register. Oh, I know who we should ask. Let's ask Tinkerbell. I'm sure she'd do it. Actually, I think she does work on McDonald's. Let's knock. We're at her house. I'm just knocking. Oh, she's opening the door. Hi, Tinkerbell. You're going to be late for work. Oh, I'm sorry. And oh, she's gone. Maybe she went inside, use magic to go inside. We'll just go on in. my god! Oh my god, Tinkerbell. We'll just clean this. I know you didn't mean to, so that was interesting. And alright, so there we go, and this just looks awesome. It just looks like real McDonald's, and it looks cool, except for the shells and stuff, but really creative, so there you go. This is our McDonald's, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have some great times in McDonald's. McDonald's rules! It's question time. So, do you remember what we put on the on the high shelf? Was it blueberry pie and blueberries, apple cinnamon toast crunch, or was it cheesecake, apple pie, and apples? Put your guess in the comments and have a great day.